these integrations we have polynomial functions. Now let's do one thing. From this part, let's remove x, and then here that x will send over here. Okay, let's multiply over here. Be careful, over here we have 1 by 7. Now our step is what? Here remove x from this and add x in this. Okay, let's consider. Now if I remove x from here, okay, then this is x raised to 20 plus x raised to what? Here become 13 plus x raised to 6. Okay, I want to send this x inside this bracket. Look at here, we have this raised to 1 by 7. Therefore, I need to multiply x raised to 7 in this equation inside. Okay, therefore, this x I am sending inside this. Therefore, it will be what? X raised to 7. Okay, here 2 x raised to 14 plus 3 x raised to 7 plus 6 raised to 1 by 7. You can check here, 7 gets cancelled, this x, that x become this. Okay, so now let's send inside. This is same as x raised to 20 plus x raised to 13 plus x raised to 6. Now let's send inside 2. Now x raised to 14 plus 7. Think over here. This less, if I consider this as u, okay. Now let's substitute. Put u equals to 2x raised to 21 plus 3x raised to 14 plus 6x raised to 7. Let's see what it comes. Okay. Therefore, du equals to what? Is 42x raised to 20 plus, here this also 42 x raised to 13 plus 42x raised to 6 into what? Dx. Okay. Now this we have x raised to 20, x raised to 13, 6. Okay. Now from here I can take 42 common. If I take 42 common, then x raised to 20 plus x raised to 13 plus x raised to 6 dx. Okay. Now what is our target? This is same as this. Okay, therefore this is same as this. This is what? Integral we have dx. Therefore this is my du. Therefore du upon 42 equals to what? X raised to 20 plus x raised to 13 plus x raised to 6 into dx. Okay. Therefore this into dx become what? Du upon 42. Therefore, let's write over here. This integral, now limit is what? From when x tends to 0, u tends to become 0. When x tends to 1, here 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay. Therefore, integral limit of from 1 to 0 to 11. Now this is what? U raised to 1 by 7. U raised to 1 by 7, and this is become du upon 42. I am sending outside. Okay. Therefore 1 by 42. Integration of this is what? U raised to 1 by 7 plus 1 is what? 8 by 7, and then here 7 by 7, and limit is from 0 to 11. Here 1 by 42. This 7 will go off. 7 by 8,